What is going on, everybody? I hope you're all having a great day wherever you are in the world. Just here, just about to go and catch up with my sister to shoot some new videos for some new ads that I'm going to be running on YouTube. And I just wanted to get out and share the topic today about having a clear vision, and why having a clear vision for your life and your business and for all your goals that you want to achieve is so important. And I was actually listening to Arnold Schwarzenegger in a motivational video this morning when I was working out in the gym, and he was talking about one of the key elements to creating success is having a crystal clear vision, holding so clearly, so powerfully in your mind exactly what you want. And then he was referring to being a bodybuilder, and he goes, he would always visualize himself on stage holding the trophy, looking the best in the world, being Mr. Universe, having, you know, everything that he wanted. He would just be so crystal clear, and he would always envision it, and he would always see it. And what that allowed him to do was to always love every step, every pain, every frustration, every challenge that he was ever faced with. He was smiling and enjoyed it because he knew what he wanted to achieve, and he knew that it was one step closer to achieving his goal. Every time he was lifting a dumbbell over his head, he was visualizing the dumbbell as a trophy, Mr. Olympia, Mr. Universe trophy that he was pressing over his head. And the same thing goes for us in our businesses and our goals. Is it's so important to have that crystal clear vision, that crystal clear goal, because whenever we're faced with some adversity, we got some challenges, life might not be going so well for us right now. We might have some challenges in the family, some challenges in our workplace. We might have some challenges, general life challenges. Our health might not be so great right now. Whatever challenges that we're facing, or we might be stuck in a business, we might think we're hitting a brick wall. How am I going to overcome it? And having that crystal clear vision and that drive to go and push through and push beyond what is currently limiting you, to be resourceful and find another way, to have the courage to keep on going, the fight, and never lose that hope that you are going to get there, because that dream of that vision, that goal and that vision is so crystal clear to you, and it's so important to you. It's what moves you from the inside. And that's why it is so important to have a crystal clear vision and know what you're doing this for. Why are you building this business? Why are you trying to create a better life? Why are you trying to do the things that you're trying to do in life? You need to know the reasons. And the reason why is by getting clear on the vision and the end goal. Because that'll always pull you forward no matter what challenges you're facing, because you know that you can't stay where you are when you know where you want to be. You just know you can't. But most people just wander off in life, doing their thing, day to day, go to work, do the same old thing that they don't like doing in order to make money, to go on living a life they don't like living. Alan Watts said it best. So get crystal clear. Take the time to sit down and ask yourself the question, what do I really want? What do I desire? What goal do I want to achieve? What is my vision for my life? That's why we're building these businesses. That's why we do the work that we do. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like, comment, share, reply, share with reply on an email with anything else you would like to hear. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Would love to hear some more topics you want me to talk about, you'd want me to cover. And I'll talk to you guys real soon. All right, bye for now.